Hello everybody. So we just pulled out this 2021 Subaru Crosstrek and we're going for a test drive right after the front brake installation. So it's a nice weather today, sunshine already. So we're going to head back to the road again for testing. For the pads and the rotors, they set back good. Usually when we go for a test drive, we always make sure the brake fluid is fully topped up, and that is the main key, because sometimes when we install it, due to the caliper piston backs, sometimes the brake have the air in the pedal and it goes all the way down. So just try to make sure for that thing we do a test drive and we check everything is tight and secure under the axles, and we just press the brake and it's so good. It's no problem. It's a little bit sound coming on from new coated rotors. It usually goes away in 40-50 kilometers if you drive regularly, but when we do the test drive, we just put the harsh brake for maybe 5-6 times and the voice go away and everything comes back to normal. So that's how we do the test drives on the brake. And also with the Subarus, these are pretty notorious to work on the spark plugs, because almost every Subaru comes with the rotary engine. So what rotary means, the pistons are split in a two-part, but it's not like we are inline, it's moving like this. That's what we call the rotary engine, and that's a pain in the ass to work on the coils or the spark plug, mainly the spark plug. So on the next appointment, they also need the spark plug change, as this car is already 90 Ks, and every car with the 90 Ks, if you didn't done anything on the car rather than the oil change or tire change, it must have a transmission fluid flush and the 4x4 fluids change. Pretty much every Subaru comes 4x4 in Canada. There's no front wheel or rear wheel drive these days. So all of those new Subarus, they need a 4x4 and the 20 flush somewhere around 80 to 90,000. So we just recommended to this customer for do the transmission oil flush and the 4x4 service on this absolutely beautiful car. So as you can see, we already put a detail guy here. So now we start offering a detailing with oil change. We'll give you the prices on the video soon. We are just trying to set it up, that thing, and make one-stop shop for a customer who want to service the car, and they can have the service for detailing inside also. That would be helpful. Like a lot of time, a lot of customers ask for that. So we decided to offer you guys the interior shampoo and clean up from inside with budget-friendly prices, and we'll soon going to disclose the prices for sedan, pickup, and every depend on make and model. So stay tuned with us, and we'll let you know. Thank you so much.